Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to enable eyes protection mode. Friends, you want to enable your eyes protection mode in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you enable it? In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your eyes protection. Then guys, scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and guys, scroll it. So friends, you can see eye comfort, so I tap here. So if we call it guys eye protection mode also, so friends, you want to enable. So right side guys, you can see this icon, so I tap here to enable. After enable guys, you can see this type of settings. So as you can see this black and white setting and color setting you want to change, so you can change the display effects. And guys, you can adjust guys your eye eye eyes protection mode from here, cool and warm color. And guys, you want to schedule guys, you can see custom, off and custom. So guys, you can click on custom and save guys you want to. So guys, like that guys, you can enable your eyes protection mode in your Realme phone. After enable guys, you can see this type of settings. So when you operate phone at night, so you should on it. It is good for your eyes. So like that guys, you can enable your eyes protection mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye.